Hey guys, in this video we are doing a special unboxing of this device. Sorry, not this device. Actually, this device, if you can check thumbnail and the title, and also this device because we have to buy these two in a combination, because if you don't buy this and if you are owning an Apple device for the first time, then you would have a adapter. Yes, now Apple doesn't ship any adapter with the iPhone. So yep, that's a quick summary. Let's unbox the iPhone right away. So first, let's unbox our main device, which is the iPhone 13. And yes, this is the box. By the way, this is not my phone. If you can take a look at the title, this is my sister's iPhone, which my dad has bought for her. Like, she's been using an iPhone 6 since the last, I don't know, 4 years. From where do I have to cut it? Oh, I have to use this thing. Is this arrow something? Sorry for this beginner shit. I have never unboxed an iPhone in my life, so okay. So I've removed the sticker, and this one is okay. So is it? Oh wow! There's no need of this or any other knife and shit. So it is. Oh yes. I hope it's original. And I was really worried if it is not a brick or some soap, because in India we do that. So yeah, this is the iPhone, and I don't know what it feels like to hold an iPhone. I have never, and maybe for some years I will not, because I don't have the use of an iPhone. But my sister is an Apple fanboy. Like, it's the first time she used an iPhone is the iPhone 6. Let's boot this up. I hope it has some power. Apple logo. Yes. Let's also unbox this. I don't know why I'm unboxing this, but yeah, let's do it. Oh, the iPhone has already been booted up. It's because, sorry, I'm a Android fan, so I'm using Android phones, and they took some long ass time to boot. And yeah, this is some introduction, I guess. I don't know. I've seen in some commercial though. Let's also unbox this. Oh, there's something here. Oh, wow. They have provided everything really neatly. That's what I like. There's no need to tear anything or do some shit. Ah, okay, this is some paperwork. And yes, this is the 20-watt adapter, which does not come with the phone, but you have to buy it separately. So let's keep all this aside. I'm sorry. Okay, also this box, there's nothing inside here. So there's nothing, just the cable, the USB Type C cable. Okay. Oh shit, shit happens. I'm sorry. I said this to my sister. So this is the iPhone, and let's see how to, just go inside. Slide up to open. Oh, this is what happens if you're using iPhone for the first time. Let me quickly set it up, because the brightness is at that auto level, and then I think I cannot read all this setup shit. So let me skip this, and we'll be back right away. So guys, I have this iPhone set up with my sister's ID. So let's take a look about how actually the iOS is. I have never used any iPhone. So this is the first time I'm using iOS. So yeah, this is the home screen, and as you can see, there's no home screen. I've drawn that shit like that. So that is just basically iPhone. And these are the apps pre-installed. Pretty basic, whatever the basic needs of a human being are there in this phone. There's no shit like Android. So this is my sister's name, her ID, and all that shit. Let's go back. This is the Wi-Fi and all that. Focus. Let's see what is that. Oh, some do not disturb. Sound and haptics. Let's see the default ringtone. Oh, the haptics are really great. Wow. I'm really loving the haptics now. And what else? We have the screen time, which shows you the screen on time and all that. There are a lot of stuff down here. Maybe I'll make a complete video about iOS soon if I get time about that. Then display, about some normal stuff about a display, control center, and all that wallpaper stuff. The okay, I don't know how to, okay, choose a new wallpaper, and here you get some default wallpapers. I have some dog pictures clicked, face ID and all that stuff, battery, and this also shows your battery health. So it is obviously at 100%. This is the first time I booted this device. And then we have some apps named here. So yeah, this is I'm using the iOS for first time, so I hope I'm not saying anything really noob. So let's take a look at the camera. That's the last thing I can do for you guys. So this is the camera, and we have this wide angle which looks really nice. Then let's take a look at the selfie, and here I'm high, so that's me. Yep. Let's not take a look at me, but let's take a look at the video and all. We also have the cinematic video. If I get time, I will make a separate video about iPhone 13's camera and how you can shoot some amazing stuff with that. First I will try to learn about how to exactly shoot in the cinematic mode. So yep, that is it for the video, and I don't have anything else to share this video because this is the first time I'm holding an iPhone, and it really looks great. So my sister is really lucky to have it in her really small age. So yep. Oh, sorry for that too. So that is it for this video. I hope I am not being a noob, and let me also tell you the price for which I have bought. So this is the box, and the mentioned price is 79,900, roughly 80,000 rupees. But my dad bought this for 67 or 68,000. He got this at a 6,000 instant cashback of the credit card, and also he got this no cost EMI on that credit card. So yeah, we have 6 months to pay it in its full price. And yes, 67,000 is a really good price for this phone. So if you are really going to buy an iPhone, you can go buy it with an SBI credit card if you are from India. So yep, that is it, nothing else to be explained. Also, you have this charger which you have to buy, the adapter, sorry. You only get this type C cable. So yeah, you also have to buy that adapter. So that is it for this video. I hope I did not miss anything. There's nothing to miss. That's what we get in the box. So bye bye, see you guys soon, I hope. And also, I'm buying a new device. I have already bought that device. It will arrive, and then I will also make a video on that too, the Motorola Edge 20 Pro. So yeah, let's see you in that video. So bye bye for now.